We use the Neo800s here at Toyota Production Engineering for a multitude of uses. We use them in paint jigs. We use them in clear parts for wax conformation, and we've also built them for incremental forming trials. The surface quality, second to none. Clear parts come out clear. Our watershed black parts look amazing, look like interior parts of a car. Our size, it's one of the largest platforms on the market. And then our material diversity.
We'll print some portions of the vehicle that they can apply sealer. We utilize clear resins when we are most interested on what's happening inside of the panels, and that's mostly related to anti-corrosion. So we can do some water intrusion studies and also wax studies utilizing the clear resins.
The reliability of the laser is very important because at Toyota, we want to run the life expectancy of the machine and we want to build parts with it for years to come.